Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S21 Ultra that's ultra battered and it needs a new display. So we'll replace it right now. So as you can see here, the back cover is also cracked because the back cover is also made of tempered glass. Although it's quite strong, you can't really fault it for cracking because maybe the impact was too great. And the heat cycles from the battery can make the glass brittle. And with age, sometimes with entropy, things break. And here we are going to refresh this S21 Ultra. We have already opened it, removed the back cover, and we have removed this wireless charging module. Now we can see the battery, main board, and all the connectors. We'll pry this off now. There you go. Main board, battery, and the daughter board. Daughter board is where you can find the SIM card tray and the Type-C port for charging and data. So we have here connectors that are bridging the main board and the daughter board. I'm going to remove those, and also the connector for the battery, because everything that we can see here will transfer it to the new display assembly. So the display assembly that we have to replace this broken one includes the housing or the frame. So we have here a very thick main board. Front camera is out. Going to peel this daughter board off. And the remaining flex cable, I think that's for the display. The next tricky thing that we are going to remove is this part right here. Lots of tiny screws. So sometimes the replacement display doesn't have the parts that we need to fully reassemble the smartphone. So we're going to remove the original component from the original display. This one, I think it's the button. We also will reuse this rubber grommet for the front camera and the gasket around the front camera lens. We don't have that on our replacement display. And right after we remove it, we transfer it immediately because they are small parts. Small parts, but they can affect the quality of your photos if you don't have this on your front camera. It protects condensation, dust from getting into the lens, making for clear photos. So everything is just installation and transplant of all the components that we have removed. So all the screws here will come back in. For this part, very large number of screws needed just to install this part. Not really sure what this is for. There you go. Our Samsung Galaxy expert is done with that one. Going to remove the original battery from the old housing. Of course, we don't have pull tabs. We need to pry it off the frame and housing. We're going to reinstall the main board, the front camera, the cover for the main board. It's a partial cover. And I think this is also acting as the antenna. We have adhesive strips for the battery. Now we install the battery, reconnect the connector for the display. Now we are going to connect the connectors for the daughter board. So it is important to check all the connections before you close up the device. Maybe you haven't connected the battery and you will have issues booting up the device. So before closing, you need to check everything is attached. So if you have an S21 Ultra, you need a new display, don't panic. It is very cost effective to replace that part. You don't need to go to Samsung if you don't have the warranty. Especially for S21 Ultra, this is an older device. You can go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. You can go to your local service technician, ask them to have a fix, ask for a quote. Here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we provide a free quote. If you agree for the repair cost, we'll do the repair. Just wait for an hour. If it's a Samsung, because we have the best repairman in Sydney. If you can visit Sydney, you can mail in your broken Samsung to us and we'll fix it here in the shop and send it back to you. We have clients from Asia, the US, and Europe. So it depends. If it's worth it to you, you can send it to us. We fix high value items like ROG phones, Z Flips, Z Folds, and something like that. So we'll close this one up. We'll reuse the broken back cover. That's good. Nothing to worry about. It's still gonna work. And thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow this channel. And I hope you learned something from this actual repair demo. And look at that. We're done. Let's leave it there. This is the before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.